Here's a BMW that did a little over a year ago. Probably one of the most difficult dents I've done. Extremely stretched. Access, I believe this one was high strength steel. You can see got the door panel on. Then you have a carrier plate. Had to be removed. Then you got all this stuff inside. Oh my god. Trying to get to it. Then put it on a bench. Even tried to go through the wiring harness. That had very limited access. Gutted the door. Thanks BMW for all these braces and being so concerned about safety. In a second here, we'll show kind of the finished product. I'm just showing a little more braces that a lot of times you got to deal with. Here's the dent, and with a natural reflection from different angles, you can see it's very stretched. Here's a little bit of the finished product, natural reflection, just kind of the surrounding area. Our PDR light came out really nice, not perfect, but the owner didn't want to replace the door or bondo it. Here you go. Not perfect, but pretty darn close. Thanks for watching, and if you ever need anything, give the Dent Devils a call. Take care.